So I'm trialing some Pictorial Meadows this summer. This is one called Candy, and it's still going really strong. We've enjoyed months now of the lovely red poppies. They're just going over now, but we've got all the white scentless mayweed and the ammi, and little pops of lovely orange and yellow daisies coming through now. Every day there seems to be something new to look at. And today I've been really enjoying this one. Actually, I've just home in. That's a lovely red flax down there. But today there was great excitement because we've got our first corn cockles out. Corn cockles, quite a rare British native. There, the lovely pink with the white centres. And there are several in bud. So I think the next few days we're going to get another new flood of new colours through the meadow.